So look how cool this is, right? It looks off, but yeah, it's plugged up. Look at this. Boom. Y'all, this is the best. I've been breaking down every once or twice a year and just kept getting a crappy blender, and I have used it, y'all, and it is amazing. So the thing is, once you have to put function and then put what you want, it'll pause, and don't let it scare you, because then it'll go out, then it'll start shaking or whatnot. So this is super amazing, y'all. I am super excited about my purchase, and especially the timer. I don't want to mess it up, please. Don't have anything in it, but y'all, look. Amazing. I ain't gonna lie. 10 out of 12. 10 out of 10. This is really amazing. So I don't regret this purchase at all.